And welcome back, dear subscriber. As you know, I am solving a specialization course Python for everybody, and I have already completed first three courses. So if you want those answers, you can go playlist of Deep Code Guru and you can check it out. You will get those all video and solution complete. Solution for course 1, course 2, course 3 and course 4 I am solving. So you will get those all over there. And for code you join the telegram group of the code guru. I will provide the code over there so it can be benefited for you. So now I am going to solve this. As you know, I am providing weekly wise solution. So in this video I will solve week 4 Monday. Okay, so as usual, I will skip the video and I will wait.
Understand what's going on, and then
Guys, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and Telegram group, so you will get more help. Now I am going to solve the quiz. So as usual, I will pause this video for time being and then I will solve and get back. So guys, you can see here I have solved the quiz. So now you follow me. For one, we add a table with two foreign key into a file handler in third execute. Sorry. For fourth, it takes a placeholder for content of the organization variable. Fifth is not. For sixth, it only retrieves the first 10 rows from the table. For seventh, it's always multiply SQL statement separated by semicolon. For 8, it makes sure that if particular title is already in the table, there is no duplicate row instead. For 10th, there is 2 foreign key, and now I am going to solve it. So now you can see the score is 88.8. Okay, so last one is some mistake down to it. Now our assignment is completed here. So now I am going to solve the external tool assignment. Okay. So for this assignment, what I have to do? I have to download this code, okay, and then after also I have to download this JSON file, and then I have to run this file, and then I have to copy this and paste. Okay, so I have already this code. You can download also. I am just going to download this file. Okay, so you can see here download has been completed. Okay, so I have to go and manage the location. Okay, so I am going to manage the location. So where I go to, okay, where I have kept. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, here count. Okay, count visitors more. Okay, let me download it. Okay, open in folder and roster data. Okay, here it is. No problem. I will copy it. I will go on the desktop. I will paste here. Okay, so this is roster underscore data and .json. So now I have to go on and complete the assignment. So before this, what I have to do? I have to go and run the code. So where is the code? The code is available here. Okay. So this file is even long. So you can join Telegram group of Deep Code Guru. You will find link in video description. I will provide those all required information. Okay. So this is the done. Now I am going to run the file. program, not file. Okay, so here test dot 3py, right? Third or fourth I have to do. Fourth I have to do actually. Okay, so fourth I will go and do. So fourth, okay. And file name I have to give. What file name? File name is roster underscore data JSON. So roster, okay, underscore data dot JSON. Okay, now I will hit enter. So there is some error it is showing. What error? Okay, so this is 84, line number 84. Okay, so what is line number 84? Okay, object db. Okay, let me run it again. It must work. Okay, and ROSTR, right? Let me check it back. ROSTR, not AR. That the error I made here. Roster. Okay. JSON. Okay, JSON. And roster. Okay. So now it will also take some little time to complete it. So meanwhile you do subscribe my channel, join Telegram group of Deep Code Guru. You will find the link in video description, guys. So I am developing one educational website. So guys, I have to look after the thing. So please wait. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will get more educational video like this. So still I have to wait, we have to wait. Okay, it will solve soon, not to worry. Okay, so still in running mode. Okay, now it has been done. So we have to copy one code. I am going to show you which code. Actually this 416. Actually with this number name only. Okay. Okay, let me. Okay. So you select it. Okay. Let me make it. Okay. Okay, then you go on top, right click, edit, comp. And coming to assignment, you can see here the number will start from 414. 414. 16, okay. 414 is not there. Okay. So let me delete the old file if it exists, and then after I will run it. So mail is done, email is done. Okay. Roast SQLite. Okay. This file I have to delete it, and then after I will go and run it. Okay, this and roster. Okay, so now I will pause this video, and once I will do, once the execution will be complete, I will resume so I can optimize the video. So guys, you can see here now I have got the full file with here one data with 414. So I will go and copy it and I will paste here. So here the data will also suggesting that it will from 4141. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, so once I will refresh it, it will go on the green tick. So you do subscribe my channel, so you will get more educational video and solution, and I will soon come up with the next specialization course. Didn't it done? As you know, I am solving weekly wise, so you will get the next week, the next video. Those are all linked in video description. You need not worry about. Okay, guys. So this is the end of week 4, and week 5 I will solve in the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.